The Y&O 10L Whole House Humidifier provides a pure and warm mist using advanced heating evaporation technology, making it ideal for those with respiratory sensitivities. Designed for large spaces, this humidifier effectively covers up to 1,000 square feet, enhancing air quality in various settings like living rooms, offices, and schools. With a substantial capacity of 10 liters, the humidifier ensures prolonged humidification, offering continuous moisture to maintain comfort during dry seasons. Equipped with 3 adjustable mist levels, this device delivers a mist output ranging from 400 milliliters per hour to 1,200 milliliters per hour, catering to diverse humidity preferences. The humidifier features a smart humidity sensor with 3 preset modes, allowing it to adapt to different needs automatically and efficiently. Included with the purchase are a power plug, user manual, and a 3-year warranty, backed by a customer support team available around the clock.